channel Fusion Data Science. My name is Sayak.
Welcome to chapter 22 of SQL. In today's session, I will show you how to use the case statement and if statement in a table of SQL. A table name of TB10 has already been created. Since table TB1 to TB9 is already been existing, so I have made a table name of TB10. You can do it with table TB1. You can do it with the table name as TB1. There is no issue in it. But keep one thing in mind, that if your table name is already existing in the database, then you have to create another table name, as I have created as TB10. That is my table name. So the syntax for case statement is select employee ID, employee name from the table name. Case when employee ID equal to 1, then male, else female. This means that only for employee ID 1, the gender is considered to be as male. For rest all employee ID, the gender for the rest all employee ID will be considered as female. End as gender. So there will be a separate field name as gender. End as gender from the table name. So this is the syntax for case. If condition is similar to case, but the only difference is the condition has to be given in the brackets or in the open and close parenthesis brackets. Now this is the syntax for the case statement. As you can see, I have typed select employee ID, employee name, case when employee ID equal to 1, then male, else female, end as gender from table name. Now writing the command that is same as the syntax, that is select employee ID, employee name, case when employee ID equal to 1, then male, else female, end as gender from TB10. This means that only for the employee ID 1, the gender will be considered as female, as male, and the rest all employee IDs it will be considered as female. Select and execute the statement. See, as you can see, there is a separate field generated as gender, and it has considered only for employee ID 1 as male and the rest all are female. Now we'll see the syntax for if statement. Always put semicolon at the end of the statement. That will show that your statement is complete. Now the syntax for if statement is select employee ID, employee name, if. Now the spelling of if is double IF. It is not IF. There is no syntax called IF. If it is double IF. If you execute only single I and F, it will show an error. The syntax is double IF. Always remember this. Now you will observe that the condition has been given in brackets. Bracket employee ID equal to 1, then single quotes male, comma, single quotes female, bracket close, as gender from table name. When the condition will be executed, it will be the same as the case statement. As you can see, I am writing the command as select employee ID, employee name, comma, double if, the syntax of if. Even in if statement, the employee ID 1 will be shown as male and the rest all employee IDs it will be shown as female. But the condition will be put in brackets. This is one of the subquery, you can say so. And it will create a separate field name as gender from TB10. Now select and execute. And hence the output is successfully executed, as you can see. Thanks for watching the video.